how to fix the File Explorer preview pane not showing up on Windows. The preview pane helps us quickly view files without opening them. So if it stops working, we waste our time opening every file manually. So let's fix the preview pane step by step. So for that, we can open up File Explorer, and once we open up a File Explorer, we can go to the View option in the top and select the option of Show here, and within here we can select the option for Preview pane here, Navigation pane, and turn it on, and Preview pane should now appear on the right side of your screen. You can just go over and look out for it like this. This is one of the methods possible. Or you can restart your File Explorer. For that, you can just go over to Task Manager, go over, search for Task Manager, hit Enter, run it as administrator if you prefer, and basically go ahead and find Windows Explorer in this section. Back click on it and select the option of restart. For that, you can go to the properties and select the option restart, and that should also probably fix the issue. Or you can change the File Explorer options. So for that, once you open up your File Explorer, you can click on the three dot option here and go to the View tab here. Just go over and click on View tab, and there basically make sure always Show option here is check mark, especially for Navigation pane, show icons, etc., and Show Preview handles and Preview pane is checked. You can click on Apply and click on OK once that is done, and that should also work out for you. Also, you can set default app for file type. So you can right click on one of your file, and once you find it up, you can just go over and click on Open with option, and select the option of choose another app and pick the correct application, and always use that app as default app for file type. Well, what we can do is we can update our Windows. We can go to our settings for that and go to Windows Update. And from there, basically look out for update if there is any update available, and you can just go ahead and update it. That should also work out for you. You can install updates and restart, and that's it. Usually the issue may be corrupted cache, wrong File Explorer settings, outdated Windows unsupported file type, and third-party codec issues. And that's it. That's how we basically fix that issue not working on our Windows easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.